Hi everyone and welcome to the first tutorial of Capcut. In this video, I'm going to show you the main interface of Capcut as well as we are going to create our first project. So first of all, what you have to do is download the Capcut application from the Google Play Store or App Store and open it up. So you can see I have Capcut application and this is the main interface of the Capcut. What you have to do is initially you just have to create a new project, nothing else. So click on the new project and you have to import at least one file in order to edit it. So you have the video option, the photos option and live photos option. So you can see here on the top I have recents. I can either click on this and have multiple folders available on my devices, as well as I have stock videos which are available online on CapCut, so I can also use them. So from recents, let's import a file. Let's suppose I want this one and I will add it in the timeline. So basically this is the timeline on which we are going to edit the file. In order to kick this interface, you have to import at least one video or one photo file. Okay, you can see here we have a bottom slider right here. These are the basic components of CapCut. There, the first button is the edit button from where all the editing take place. The next button is audio button, from where you can edit your all kind of audio, add the audio or add different audio effects in the video. Okay, the next button is the text button from where the text take place, the subtitle, everything else take place. And as well as we have stickers, overlays, effects, filters. We can change aspect ratios. We have a canvas option and the adjust option. You can see here I have a little mic button, little speaker button. If I click on it, it will mute and unmute the file for me. Okay, and the next thing is on the middle of the screen I have a play button, and when I click on it, it will start the timeline and my video will automatically start. Okay, the next to it is the undo and the redo button. What it does is if I have done anything wrong, I have an option of undoing the task. If I click on this undo button, it will automatically delete my current task and take me to a one step backward. And if I click on the redo button, it will automatically take me to the next step which I have done. Okay, so on the top of the screen I have the quality option. This is basically the quality in on which you want to export the file. For example, if I want to export the file in 720 pixels and I want 60 fps or let's say 50 fps, I can just click these settings, and I have also option of the smart HDR from where I can increase the high dynamic range video. I can create a high dynamic range video, and after that I have the estimated file size the CapCut will tell you about. Okay, after this you have to click on the arrow button on the top. After clicking on it, the file will be exported and it is ready to share. So this file will be exported to your album. Okay, so these are the some basic components of the CapCut. Okay, the one last thing is that if you are doing your editing right here, for example, if you have multiple tasks and you didn't save anything, or your mobile phone shutdowns, or if there is any lag in the application and application crash, it will automatically save the file. You don't have to save it. If I click on it, the cross button, you can see I have a local option right here in which I have all the projects saved. It automatically save all my projects. I don't have to save them manually. Okay,